Welcome to our study on evaluating the relationship between colorectal cancer and the human gut microbiome and genetic background. I'm Karen Zinka, the registered dietitian and research provider of the study. We appreciate your interest and would like to guide you through what participation entails. Colorectal cancer, or CRC, is a major health issue in the United States that affects hundreds of thousands of patients and families each year. Despite advances in treatments, many questions remain about how genetics, diet, exercise, sleep habits, and family health history influence CRC and the gut microbiome. CRC is often not detected and diagnosed until later stages, as a standard form of detection is through colonoscopy, an invasive and sometimes unpleasant procedure. Recent studies have highlighted the significant role of the gut microbiome in colorectal carcinogenesis. The gut microbiome consists of trillions of microorganisms that inhabit the gastrointestinal tract and contribute to various physiological processes such as digestion, immune system function, and the production of vitamins. The composition of the human microbiome varies from person to person, influenced by factors like genetics, diet, lifestyle, and environment, making it unique to everyone. Dysbiosis, or an imbalance in the gut microbial community, has been associated with inflammation, altered metabolism, and the production of carcinogenic compounds, all of which can promote the initiation and progression of CRC. Understanding the relationship between colorectal cancer and the gut microbiome may lead to novel diagnostic biomarkers and therapeutic interventions to prevent or treat CRC. Our study aims to explore these relationships across different stages of CRC, including those without the disease and those with precancerous polyps. We're looking for adults 18 years or older from all backgrounds. To be eligible, you should provide medical proof of your CRC diagnosis, not be pregnant, not have taken antibiotics in the past 2 months. If you're a non-CRC individual with precancerous polyps or a healthy individual with medical proof of no CRC, you may also qualify. All participants will be asked to provide medical record information from a physician showing proof of CRC, precancerous polyps or non-CRC, negative or benign polyps diagnosis, date of diagnosis, date and results of the most recent colonoscopy, past and current cancer stage, results of blood tests, description of pathology and cancer location, past and current cancer treatments, and a list of current medications. If the medical records we obtain from your physician do not reflect the medical diagnosis you told us, you will no longer be eligible to participate and no compensation will be given. If you do decide to join, here's what you can expect. After watching this video, the research providers will answer any questions you have regarding the study. You will read and sign the consent form. A copy will be sent to you via email, and you will also read and sign the HIPAA authorization form. Medical history and questionnaires will be filled out. And you'll also fill out questionnaires about personal and family health history, as well as your sleep and exercise habits. If you do not have access to a smartphone or computer, please let us know, and we will help you fill out the questionnaires and dietary recalls. We will record the following body measurements: height, weight, waist circumference, fat mass, muscle mass, visceral fat, RMR, and blood pressure. One finger prick will be done to measure your glucose levels, total cholesterol, triglycerides, HDL, and LDL. All procedures are conducted by qualified professionals to ensure your comfort and safety. An oral swab will also be collected for potential genomic analysis. You'll receive a fecal sample kit to take home and mail back within 72 hours. We'll invite you to use our dietary app to log your meals for 2 days, 1 weekday and 1 weekend day. After completing all study procedures, including clinical measurements, filling out all forms, completing all dietary recalls, and mailing back your fecal sample, you'll receive the $100 gift card. We will reach out to subjects with incomplete participation at least 3 times to request the missing information or fecal sample. If we receive no response, no compensation will be given. After the study concludes, which means that all enrolled participants complete the study procedures, all fecal samples will be processed, sequenced, and analyzed. You can expect your results back within 6 months of finishing the study. By joining this study, you will receive detailed insights into your current gut health status, learn about your gut microbiome, contribute to research that may lead to early detection of colorectal cancer, and help save the lives of future CRC patients. Your participation in this study involves procedures that are generally considered safe and carry minimal risk. However, it is worth noting that these risks are usually minimal and temporary, and the study team will take all necessary precautions to minimize any potential adverse effects. Fasting may cause mild hunger or discomfort. Some individuals may feel lightheaded or fatigued due to short-term fasting. Sharing personal and family medical history might cause emotional discomfort or stress, especially when discussing sensitive health issues. Although confidentiality will be maintained, there may be concerns about the privacy of your personal health information. You will experience a brief pain similar to a pinprick during blood sample collection. Minor bruising or bleeding at the puncture site is possible. If you have implanted medical devices like pacemakers or defibrillators, the electrical current during bioelectrical impedance scale measurements may interfere with their function. Please inform the study staff if you have any implanted medical devices. Knowing that analyses are being performed may cause anxiety or concern about potential findings, even though study results are not meant for diagnostic purposes. Participation may not provide you with direct medical benefits. Discussions or findings during the study may lead to emotional distress or anxiety about your health. By participating, you're not just learning about your own health, you're contributing to a study that could improve the lives of many facing colorectal cancer. Your privacy is our priority. All your personal information and data will be kept confidential and securely stored. Only authorized personnel will have access and your data will be de-identified in our analyses. You will take home a fecal collection kit. This kit includes a tube, a spatula, feces catcher, a pair of gloves, a specimen bag to store the fecal tube, and an envelope with prepaid postage to mail back the sample. A separate video will be shown to explain in more detail the fecal collection process. Please collect one fecal sample within 72 hours of the clinical visit. Do not contaminate with urine or toilet paper. Please write your participant number and the date of collection on the fecal tube and the specimen bag. If you cannot produce a fecal sample or fail to collect it within the 72-hour window, you should contact us to arrange for more time, as it is a crucial part of the study. Bacterial DNA will be extracted from the fecal sample and will be processed for 16S rRNA gene sequencing. The 16S rRNA gene is found in all bacteria and is like a barcode used to identify the gut bacteria. Scientists interpret the gut microbiome results to understand who is present and predict what they could be doing. You will receive an email to download the dietary app. Join the study and track your food intake. You will have access to the study for 5 days, only after the clinical visit. Please record all the food items you have eaten and drank during 2 days, 1 weekday and 1 weekend day. You do not need to pay to use this service. If you do not complete the 2 dietary recalls in the 5-day window after the clinical visit, you should contact us so we can extend your time. Your decision to participate is entirely voluntary. You may refuse to participate or withdraw from the study at any time without penalty or loss of benefits to which you are otherwise entitled. Your participation may be stopped without your consent by the primary investigator for any reason. For example, your participation may be stopped if it is deemed to be in the best interest of your health and welfare, if you have severe or unacceptable side effects, or if you fail to follow the instructions. As part of this research, records that contain information or data about you and your health may be collected and used. These records will be kept as confidential as possible. The participants' biospecimens may be used for commercial profit. We're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for considering joining our study. Together, we can make a difference.